Today we will learn how to design book cover based on the 201 interior pages. As you can see, this is our 201 pages PDF file, and this is our KDP template of 201 pages. Open the KDP template in Photoshop. Then click on the adjustment layer icon. Click on the gradient. Select any gradient color of your choice. Go to the layer panel. Click the right button on the gradient layer. Click on the duplicate layer. Click the right button on the gradient layer again. Click on Convert to a Smart Object. Now we will open some character in Photoshop. Double click on the character layer. Click on stroke. Increase the stroke size 35 and keep the color white. Now click on drop shadow. Click on the OK button. Go to the toolbar. Select Type tool. We will write the text of the book cover. Click on the File menu. Click on Save As. Click the Save As Type drop-down box. Select Photoshop PDF. Click on Save. You can see this is our final PDF book cover. Thanks for watching the video.